Now the fun and beauty of a real wood-burning fire pit is easier, safer, and more decorative than ever. The groundbreaking new Saffire Tabletop Fire Pit is now available. It's a unique ceramic, smokeless, multi-fuel fire pit. Burn wood pellets or charcoal outdoors. Even use it indoors with the use of alcohol fuels. Its beautiful ceramic glaze finish is fired on at over 2,000 degrees and is extremely tough and durable. So no worries about fading or discoloring from the heat as many steel units do. The super thick, high-temperature ceramic shell of the Saffire is a full 3/4 of an inch thick. This makes the fire pit very strong and much more stable and resistant to tipping over. But the really big benefit is the much safer exterior temperatures. Steel units can reach up to a whopping, searing 600 degrees on the outer walls. The Saffire runs about half that temperature or less and greatly reduces the possibility of burns. The firebox and internal components are all high-quality 304 stainless steel for many years of dependable use. Now it's so easy to add extra fun and ambience to your gatherings without choking on smoke. Once the fire pit is going, the strategic airflow helps to burn the smoke so you can do the easiest s'moring ever without all the stinging eyes or stinking clothes. Then take your Saffire indoors with the use of gel fuel cans or bioethanol in the optional fuel pan. Start enjoying the fun and ambience of the Saffire Fire Pit with your family and friends, or just kick back and let the soothing flames do what only a real fire can. Check out all the details and benefits of this one-of-a-kind new fire pit at SaffaireGrills.com.